welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenya and I'm back with a new video. It's been long that I haven't uploaded a video on my channel and I am back here, guys. If you are new to my channel, do consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. So let's talk about today's video. आज का जो video that is dedicated to skincare as winters are running around the corner and I thought it is the best time to upload. And I want to thank L'Oreal and Garnier and also Calabar to they have sent me so many products during Nykaa sale, so I'm really looking forward for that. So all the products I have received, I would like to thank L'Oreal and Garnier for this. So without getting further ado, let's quickly start the video. So as it is a skincare video, so let's start with face wash, guys. I have these two babies with me. This is the L'Oreal face wash. This is their new launch. I have already used this month backs and I really love it. This is their Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Gel Cleanser and this is such an amazing product, guys. Your skin feels like a baby soft when you use this and I am so happy to use this. This is my second tube I have been using and I swear by this product. Another face wash I have for you guys is from Garnier. This is the face wash I'm talking about. This is their Bright Complete face wash. It says that it reduces dullness and it has got a tint of a tad bit of lemon essence in it. So a must try if you are looking forward to buy anything from Nykaa sale, and that is face wash. I would highly recommend that you can go for these two. One is from L'Oreal and the other one is from Garnier. The second product in skincare I would like to share is serums, guys. Serum has become such a essential for your skincare, for your makeup routine. Serums are something which you can also use prior your makeup. When you apply your makeup, you can use it as a base also. So serums does wonder to your skin and I have seen people have skipped this so much, but it really works a lot. So let's talk about the first serum. I have used this serum and I have spoken about this serum on my page, Instagram page earlier also. This is the Garnier Vitamin C Complete Light Complete Serum and it is such a brilliant product, guys. Whenever I have used it, first of all, you just have to take 2 or 3 pumps and you just dab it on your skin and then slightly and with a very light hand you just need to press it inside so that the product goes inside your pores and let the product do the magic. I swear by this product. This is such an amazing product. Specifically, if you're someone who loves morning skincare, then it rejuvenates your skin when you apply this thing like this serum in morning. It gives you that you shine on your face and I just love this baby. The next serum I have also spoken about, and this is again my second bottle of this serum and I just love. Hyaluronic acid is doing wonders in makeup market, in beauty market, and this is a serum from L'Oreal. And again, I would recommend that agar aapko ye wala serum use karna hai, then use it in night because it has the complete range. It has a cream also, so you can apply the serum first and then you can follow the step with the face cream. So highly recommend if you're looking forward something for your night skincare, go for it. So the next product I have for you for your skincare is a face cream. I have seen so many people that once they apply the serum, then they completely forget or skip the step of applying the face cream. But it is very important that you follow the complete regime. And yes, so what I do is I apply face serum and then I lock it with face cream, guys. Let the product absorb in your skin. This face cream is from L'Oreal. This is from the Hyaluronic Acid range. When you're going to apply it for the first time, you might feel a little sticky, but after 2 or 3 minutes, let the product settle down into your skin and do the magic, guys. And you can apply it in day, night, like आपको जो भी routine suit होता है, जिस time भी आपको suit होता है, you can apply it. I have one more cream for you, and that is from the Mom's Co. I have spoken about this cream. This is specifically a night cream. This is such a creamy and such a plumpier night cream. Whenever I've applied this in night and I wake up so fresh, my skin feels so radiant, so hydrated. So a must try, guys. If you're looking forward for a night cream, I would highly recommend that go for this baby. So the next product I'm going to talk about is a water-based product, and it is very subjective whether you want to use these products and you want to include these products in your skincare or not. So these are the two products I am talking about. This is the Perfect Match Primer Water from Calabar, and this is the Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing Radiance Water from L'Oreal. I'm going to first talk about this. Like if I have to compare these two, and if I would like to recommend, I would recommend the Calabar primer water. The only reason because it's a primer water, so you can apply it before your makeup and after your makeup. You can use it as fixing spray, like the makeup spray, and before like prepping your skin for the makeup, you can use it like as a primer also. I have used this water today and I am really loving it. So the spray is amazing of this product. I'll just do one spray and see that. So this is such a stunning product Calabar has come across and Calabar has made. I swear by this product. This is such an amazing product. I have used primer waters earlier also, but this is something has got my attention, guys, and I just love it. Let's talk about this one. This is something which you cannot apply after your makeup. You can only do it on your bare face, like before you apply, after cleansing your face and before applying serum and your face cream. Just take 2-3 drops and dab it and press inside your skin, and it will do good to your skin. I've heard a lot about this, but I'm still figuring out about this product, whether it is doing any magic or not. So I'm still looking forward for this. So the next product I'm going to talk about is Micellar Water. Micellar Water is playing such an amazing game in the beauty industry, in the makeup industry. Every beauty blogger would talk about Micellar Waters. And Bioderma was doing a fabulous job, but ever since Garnier has launched their Micellar Water, oh my god, I'm not looking back again. So these are the two Micellar Water. One is from L'Oreal and the other one is from Garnier. This is their new launch. इसमें पहले एक पिंक बॉटल आता था और सेम येलो वेरिएंट में it used to come like oil influence होता था ऊपर इतना सा, but this is something a crystal clear water. It says it removes makeup and it आपका कोई भी oily dirt if your face is, it will definitely remove that. I have used this and I really loved it. Even जो waterproof makeup था, it has taken out so brilliantly, so I just love it. So again, अगर आप micellar water में invest करना चाहते हैं, go for this. The next micellar water I have is from L'Oreal, and this is the Revitalift Crystal Purifying Micellar Water. This is an oil-free. So both the micellar waters are oil-free, and oil-free micellar waters are really good. The one which I was using oil-free was from Bioderma. It was like an OG micellar water for me, and now I have switched to these two micellar waters. So I am really looking forward for these two micellar waters to do great on my skin, guys. The next product is a sheet mask. Sheet mask is so important. People who hate putting mask, or they do not like mask on their face, please switch to these masks. These masks do. Please go for these masks. These sheet mask, it really calms up, soothes up your skin, and I just love it. This is from Garnier. This is the Milky Serum Light Complete Face Wash, and this is their L'Oreal, again from the same range. And I haven't used this one. I have used Garnier ka pehle bhi. I haven't used the L'Oreal one. I'm going to use it for the first time. Again, this is a crystal clear skin. So जो इनका L'Oreal का complete range, that is like they are more emphasizing on hyaluronic acid, crystal clear. This is what the range is all about. So this sheet mask will cost you, the pricing is not mentioned. It is mentioned this is 150 and this one is for 99 rupees. So if you're looking for sheet mask, go for these two. The last two product is not brand has sent me. These are my personal favorite and these are from my own pocket. I'm going to talk about lip care, because आप सब कुछ कर लेते हैं, in the end you just forget your lips, but plumping your lips is so important, guys. It might sound a little weird. Alright, so the first lip balm I'm going to talk about is from Juicy Chemistry. this is how it looks like, and the texture is so good. I'm going to take a little bit and I'll apply it. You can see that it gives a little bit of shine. I can't apply it on my lips right now, I'm wearing a lipstick, but this has lemon in it and green tea and बहुत ही subtle and that kind of fragrance it is जो mint भी है, but I cannot see ingredients mint इसमें included है. And the best part is guys that it is an organic lip balm, so definitely go for it. I've been using this from past 1 week and I just love it. And the another lip balm I'm going to talk about is from Laneige, and this is a sleeping mask. This is not a lip balm. So if you have a cracked lips, then I would highly recommend that use this while you're sleeping, like during your bedtime. Include this in your bedtime and you can thank me later. When you're going to wake up, you'll see that your lips are baby soft. That's how amazing and magic it does. So either you can go for this. This I do not prefer in day because it is little thick. जो इसका consistency है बहुत ही, जो texture है काफ़ी thick है. So I only prefer applying it in night. And this is like I carry this all time, whether I'm even going here and there, I will carry this. So these are 2 lip balms I would highly recommend. So that's it guys. All the products which I have shared, I'm going to share in the description box, and because sale is running on, so you will get on sale and discounted price. So go and grab it and enjoy your shopping guys. I am going to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.